amazing.
This is ideal for vloggerinhos.
Hello, beautiful cats! First of all, I want to say one thing. Cheers.
I'm holding this bottle incorrectly.
Cheers!
So we are celebrating something. What we are celebrating? GoPro's working. And you might be wondering why it's not working. You explain.
So we went snorkeling 2 days ago. And the GoPro just stopped working while we were swimming with Manta Rays.
Absolutely. So this is 2 days later, and we're doing this introduction 2 days later about our snorkeling trip with Manta Rays. And then you can explain what did we do on that trip and how much it cost.
So we paid around 250,000 Indonesian rupiah. That's maybe 12, 13 US dollars. Super cheap because you're gonna have the best time of your life. Honestly, so lucky that we saw manta rays, we saw turtles, and there was many fish
and corals. They were really good, healthy, undisturbed,
colourful, beautiful, so nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
But as you heard, we had an incident with GoPro. Literally used the waterproof door, but it leaked, and it took 2 days for it to come alive. It's still not fully alive. Only front screen works. And I have to manipulate it with my phone, but here we are recording this video somehow.
Somehow the content goddesses are helping us.
Yeah. So yeah, before you're going to see footage of us swimming with manta rays and turtles, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you've ever snorkeled with manta rays or any other big sea creatures. So we want to get access into the sea, but it's a bit tricky. But we will do it, no?
We will, but just don't tell my mom.
You go first. So it does, I don't know if it looks on camera, but it's so
it's perfect. There is one here, like proper steps.
Really?
Proper steps.
No way.
Literally here, step by step.
And are the rocks sharp or?
No. Bye-bye.
Are they not sharp?
Yay!
Are they not sharp?
No.
Okay,
No.
amazing.
Amazing.
So we've got 1 hour until our boat tour, and we're just gonna swim here and enjoy life. We just finished swimming in the sea, and I spotted a sea snake, the black and white stripy one.
We're gonna go to see if it's super dangerous.
It was like next to us.
Literally super close.
I think it was underneath me, and then I was like, oh my god, snake. And then it was swimming away from us, and I'm just thinking, would we feel if it bit us?
If not, Mom, Dad, I love you.
This is not funny now. Google, please, go on it.
But look how beautiful
Google,
it is.
Google. Okay, I'm gonna get my shoes. So many crabs everywhere. Okay, what are you finding?
Sea snake,
Sea snake.
Bali. Nusa Penida, no?
Oh, yeah.
I will be really thorough with this. Oh, it's
just
this one, so cute.
Yeah, banded sea snake, that's a very poisonous one.
Dangerous or docile?
What does he say?
Hello, swimming, good island.
Yeah, we just saw a sea snake.
Right? Oh, snack.
Sea snake here.
Where?
It's gone.
There.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Stripy one, black and white. Dangerous.
Oh my god. No worry, yeah?
Is it dangerous?
No dangerous.
No? Like this?
Yeah, no dangerous.
No dangerous.
Are you sure?
No,
So
sure.
can be a friend.
Yes.
We can pet.
Yes, it's okay. Sure.
Are you sure?
Where are you from?
Brazil.
Obrigado.
Obrigada.
Yeah.
So what does the internet say?
So we're safe. Let's just go back. No, I'm not. No. He said it's okay.
Is it?
Let's see. I love her Latin name. Laticauda Colobrina.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Bahasa name Ulah Laut Belang.
I don't know names.
Highly venomous with neurotoxic.
Would we get like
With
spasms by now? No, Yasmin, don't try. Check your legs.
Wait.
Show me your legs.
She wouldn't be able to bite me. No, she wouldn't be able to bite me with all my hairy legs. She would be.
No, she would be like yummy.
She would be like, look at how much hair I have. No,
Mosquito
Thomas,
bites,
stop.
right?
So, highly venomous with neurotoxic venom, capable of causing paralysis and potentially death.
How soon after bite?
Habitat coastal waters, often near coral reefs and rocky shores. Everything we have here.
But how soon would we feel the venom to paralyze?
Activity during nocturnal behavior, generally non-aggressive. Bites are extremely rare and typically occur only when they feel threatened.
But would we feel it, the bite?
Underwater, they are docile.
What? So they bite on off the
And
water?
often seen foraging small fish or other prey. I think they just, what they're saying here, they just attack if they feel threatened.
We were just swimming around.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, we will find out if we are still alive in an hour or two.
It is really this one though.
It
So
is.
beautiful, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
And the water is so clear that we could see from the top, literally just like, oh, a snake, oh, a snake, a snake.
He was literally like below me and then
That's
just,
true.
yeah, oh God. Goshy God.
I will call you by group name, guys. Our group name. Okay, this is Manta. I will call you by group name. Our group name is Wonderland Group. Please remember, guys. Wonderland. Yeah, Wonderland.
How was it?
Amazing! Oh my God. Who saw mini Manta Rays swam with them?
And now, oh my God, the mask.
Oh my God!
And now we are at the snorkeling spot. The corals are really deep. I can't see anything
It's
with the mask.
really deep, like we have to go all the way down. I'm gonna try to swim a little bit.
Yeah,
Maybe we can go closer to the shore where it's really super blue.
yeah. Because here, I don't think the snorkeling is amazing. I've been better places, but I didn't bring fins. And there's a current, so
Give me! Go get your fins and you're gonna come swim with me!
let's go snorkel.
Look at this
there.
water!
'Cause that's where people are going.
We have people on our boat cannot swim, so sorry for them because we are mermaids. Been finding plastic literally everywhere. I just saw baby turtle. Baby turtle. We need to go. We're going to the third spot of our trip.
Is everyone just
It's
waiting
a
for us?
secret spot. Looks like it. So let's go, blogueirinho. I think the guy took so many pictures of me. I love it. They put something for the fish in the fish pond.
Yeah, I think that's why
And they come, yeah. But I'm not gonna tell anyone.
it's recording on the video. And vegetarian, right, animal rights activist, snorkeling.
Oh, we're in the third stop. For this snorkeling trip, we already saw Manta Rays, we saw baby turtle, and now we saw many cute fish. And so many coral here. Like really good snorkeling by the rocks, but it's a little bit dangerous. The current, as you can see, it's taking our breath away.
It's strong, it's so beautiful. Look at the color.
So beautiful. I want to be a mermaid.
This is ideal for vlogueirinhos. We are not complaining.
And the day turned out to be so beautiful. We were afraid that was going to rain.
But even when you snorkel, it's fine to rain, right?
The visibility is so good. 10 out of 10. The trip.
The sea is
amazing. The guide is really helpful and funny.
Yeah.
Loving every second of it. Bye.
OMG. It's so slippery. I'm not sure if you can see the temple. So
There is this beautiful temple in the middle of the sea. We don't know if this beach has a name. Everywhere here is this beautiful. So here we are.
It's one of the beautiful spots. So before we show you the snorkeling that we did with manta rays and turtles, we want to touch on the topic of conservation of animals because that's very close to my heart.
And how to travel in a more ethical way and respect the animals in their environment.
Okay, so I want to start with the first point, which is very important, that Indonesia is the biggest natural sanctuary in the world for manta rays. The whole 7 million square kilometers is protected, basically.
This is like the size of Brazil.
Yeah, or USA, or I don't know. The whole ecozone of Indonesia is sanctuary for manta rays. And basically, a live manta ray is worth more than poached or killed for Chinese medicine or for meat. I read online, I'm not sure if it's true, that one live manta ray for its lifespan is worth $5,000. Was it $5,000?
500,000.
It was a lot. It was a lot.
A lot of money.
Because tourism, in terms of snorkeling, diving, selling up the trips, like there are people coming here to Nusa Penida, Komodo National Park.
And you end up making a movement in the whole economy because it's not just the tourists, it's hotels, restaurants, like
Laundry
street
places.
vendors, laundry, everything, like all the economy from a place, it's gonna be affected by it, like a beneficial.
Absolutely. And then another thing, before you snorkel, and this is not just for Indonesia, do not apply sunscreen, especially in tropical waters where there are corals. Do not tread on corals. Don't touch them with your feet.
Don't touch them, don't stand on it, don't try to play with it.
And the worst of all, please do not touch the wild animals. They are wild, they are susceptible to human diseases. Your skin is full of chemicals, body lotions, bacteria, you name it, it's on your hands. Do not touch the animals. And also, mosquito spray is very toxic. It is actually toxic for humans as well. So don't apply that before snorkeling or even swimming in the sea where the corals are.
If you did apply, try and shower before you go inside the sea, so we can at least clean it up. So avoid it altogether. Put some long pants, something linen like I'm wearing now.
Or you could use natural remedies like coconut oil.
Coconut oil is a really good option.
Yes,
natural,
citronella,
good, and
tea tree oil, you name it. As well, if you are translucent, pale as a ghost, you're a vampire, you need to use the
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Okay, you can buy coral safe sunscreen.
Yeah.
They're expensive, but go for it. Don't be a C. You know the word. Just use it. Just pay money and save the planet.
Or you can also use UV shirts, UV hats. There are many options that won't harm the environment. So, what did you think of our amazing time with the Manta Rays? Would you do it? Are you brave enough? Because I was scared at some point, but they are completely harmless and so cute.
At one point, the guide and everyone, let's go up a bit because it's so loud, the sea. At one point, I was surrounded by 4 manta rays. There was no guide, no one, because I've got eagle eyes. And literally it was so scary because they were coming like this.
But they're super cute. Honestly, it was my first time and it is an unforgettable experience.
Let's go up, let's go up.
It is. The fish tried to take the GoPro.
No more, no more.
No.
Yeah. But what would you say was your favorite sea animal that you've snorkeled with?
Manta rays.
Manta rays?
Yes, for sure.
Ah, okay. What
sure.
are the big animals you snorkeled with before?
Haven't done many big animals. So I do diving as well, but the biggest one I've seen was rays, turtles, and manta rays. Manta ray was the biggest for sure, and the most majestic.
I agree. For me too. I haven't seen whale sharks. I've seen a shark. Actually, shark is my favorite. It takes over manta ray.
I
but
want to, but I haven't.
We will.
We will,
Yeah.
because there's
This trip-
much more to come.
Yes, we will reveal what's the next destination, but for that, honestly, just subscribe and then you can follow our journey. But yeah, so far we're just enjoying Nusa Penida, and next video will be about the best beaches in Nusa Penida, and you are in for an absolute treat.
I have no words, honestly, just
I'm surprised because honestly I thought Nusa Penida was just viewpoints, Instagram, galore. Honestly, I love it.
No. Maybe we could give a tease of the sea color, how it is over here.
Yeah, before the tease, let's just say bye
Yes,
and see you in the next video.
Bye. Ow.